In this tutorial, we'll explore Workspace Automation. Imagine again that you are a GIS technician working for a city planning department. Daily work edits are committed to the database each day at a set time. You've been asked to set up FME Server to automatically process those edits to produce the correct output. Navigate to the tutorial server and log in with the same credentials as before. Tutorial username, the Truth and Beauty password. Then click on the Schedule Workspace button. This opens the parameters for the scheduling service. Create a schedule with the name Your Name Schedule. Remember that it's important to use your name to create a unique name so as not to conflict with other users running through this tutorial. For the category, enter Tutorial. We can enter a description as well. And for Enabled, we will select with the default True. In the Workspace settings, find the repository that the workspace is in. Click the Tutorial repository. For the workspace, we'll select the Exercise to Begin workspace that we published earlier. We'll stick with the defaults for the published parameters. Scroll down to the Schedule Settings area. We're going to schedule this workspace to run immediately, and we'll do this just to get a result that can be quickly proved to work. We'll run this workspace every 15 seconds for the next couple of minutes. So for repeats, select interval based. Repeat unit will be second, and our interval will be 15 seconds. Let's select an end date. It's currently 9:40 on April the 16th, so let's have this workspace end at 09:43. Click OK. Okay, it's coming up to 9:43. Let's prove that our workspace is running on schedule. Go to the Manage menu, click on Jobs. Notice here, Exercise to Begin META is run 5 times so far. That proves that our schedule is running as expected. If we navigate back to our Schedule tab, notice that the schedule we'd set up has been removed because we set it up to only run for a limited amount of time. Another way to do workspace automation is to trigger a workspace to run on FME Server via FME Desktop. Let's open FME Workbench. We're going to set this workspace up by choosing a blank workspace to start. Put a creator on the canvas. This simply triggers the translation. Next, we'll connect an FME Server job submitter. Let's go into the parameters of the FME job submitter, enter our tutorial server URL, our username and password, and click Next. We'll select the same workspace that we just ran with the scheduler, Exercise to Begin. Click Next. Select the default values for the parameters, and click Finish. Next, connect a couple of loggers up to the FME Server job submitter just to track the progress. Now run the workspace. If everything is successful, the workspace runs on FME Server, and we have a feature coming out of the succeeded port. To prove this actually ran on FME Server, let's go back to our FME Server web interface. Click on Manage, and then Jobs. Notice that Exercise to Begin ran just a little while ago, 9:57:06 and 9:58 on my computer. So that proves that we were able to run a workspace via FME Desktop on FME Server.